Hi, Dr. Raj here. I want to share some important news. We've been screening our patients for snoring and sleep apnea, and we've even done some appliances for patients that didn't want to wear the CPAP machine. And guess what? It works. Not only them, I'm not only the prescribing dentist, I'm also a patient. Even I wear one of those, and it dropped my sleep score by 50%. It really works. Call us for a screening, or even go ahead and download that app and try it yourself to see if you have any problems with snoring or sleep apnea. And it gives you a number, and that way you know if you want to come in for a free consultation and screening with us. Call us and try that app. Thank you.